So the race for the NEET has been started. Everybody is on the track. Whether you're winning or losing is based on the direction as well as the speed and sometimes luck. I personally believe that hard work can only provocate luck. So let's plan for your race, and there is a special gift that I'll announce as a special announcement at the end of the video, so don't skip and watch till the end. So those who are new, welcome to my channel Inspiring Brains. This is Hari, completed physiotherapy, currently doing 3rd year MBBS and an Unacademy educator. So now in this video we'll first talk about the prerequisites that is needed for the race, right? Because in the last video I just told that I have a plan and a schedule by which you can clear all the things till your exams, right? I'll plan all the schedules for biology, physics, chemistry, like in such a way that what all you have to do in every day, right? So many of the students are actually joining in that group. So in this video I personally tell you what are the prerequisites that is needed to join in that group and also to use for the well-versed for your exam, right? The first prerequisite is belief. First of all, you have to believe me, right? You have to believe yourself, then you have to believe me, because I'll not tell the things as such or not for the video. So I'll just work on it and I'll talk to the toppers as well as my personal experience. These are all combined together in scheduling your things, right? So you can believe for your success. So first prerequisite is belief. So let's take few seconds to give a shout out for today's video sponsor, Unacademy. So actually this app is coming up well, and there are various free classes for all the students. So in fact all my biology classes are available as free. You can easily enroll through my code HARI, H-A-R-I. And many of the students ask me a doubt about joining in some test series, right? So Unacademy is one of the best platform to do this, because you can compare with all other students in an India level platform and you can get a video level solutions, and all the questions is actually curated by top educators. You know that whether you're studying or not, the art of attending the questions will help you to clear some entrance. So that's always equally proven in all the entrance like UG, PG, everything. So this Unacademy app giving you questions which is curated by various educators, which helps you to get more advanced level so that you can easily approach the NEET exam and you can clear them with colors, right? And now it has a special thing called as Turbo 15 series. So every day 30 minutes will be allotted, and in that there will be 15 questions for each day, and you can enroll for free. That's very important, and you can use my code HARI again. So I think every test series will be at 7:30 p.m. and you can enroll just 30 minutes, 15 questions you can attend, and you'll get a solutions for this, right? So this is highly useful because a brisk 30 minutes test will always help you to awake to study more. So this is highly helpful. So again, if you want to join in my classes, you can use my code HARI, HARI, right? Second is, every students who are going to join in that group has some app. I'll tell you, it's called as Pomodoro App, right? So every students who are involved in this group and you are following my schedule has to install an app called as Pomodoro. It's available both for Android as well as Apple devices. So how this app is useful? It's very simple. First is, it's scientifically proved to increase your concentration. So it's not that sitting for 12 hours will not work you for success. So I need a concentrated work, right? For that I need this app. And the second useful thing is I can track you. So every day I just fix a time like 10:45 to 11. So at the end of the day you have to send me the screenshot of the hours till you read through the Pomodoro app. So this helps me to track your performance so that you'll be in line with the competition, right? So this app is highly useful. So again, the students might ask me that, sir, what will happen if I don't have an Android or an Apple device? No problem. At least you have a button mobile, right? And that in that button mobile you have a timer. So use the timer for your well-versed, right? Use the timer for your well-versed. So first, the important thing is belief. The second is Pomodoro, right? So the third thing is formula book. So every student should get a formula book. In that formula book, the first 2 pages is for the formulas of the regarding lesson. Suppose if I tell today's schedule is laws of motion, so you have to write all the formulas with your hand, so that it will be encrypted into your mind with that using the 2 pages, and you have to leave the next page, right? And what is the use of the next pages? After workouting all the things, the previous year questions and the important questions which I send through the groups or the books which you're having, after all these things, you will have some idea regarding the chapters, right? Like suppose if I'm doing this mistake, so I'm frequently doing this mistake, and I just found out this trick using by solving all these things, like somewhat you get some ideas regarding each and every unit that you have to write in the formula book after the formulas. So you got 2 or 3 pages for each unit, which will be highly useful for revising the physics as well as in chemistry, the physical chemistry. So this is highly helpful for revising till your exams. So please maintain a formula book. The fourth important thing is weekly discussion. So in this year, I'm just working more for your success in such a way that 6 days I'll be giving you schedules starting from Monday to Saturday, which means it will be starting by tomorrow, right? So it will be starting for 6 days, and in the 7th day you will have some discussion, right? The discussion is about, it's very simple. In the 7th day, which means Sunday, in the morning I'll give you some question paper through the group. It's a full model question paper, and in the evening I'll be giving all the solutions for the physics, chemistry and biology, and I'm discussing the entire biology and the tricks, mnemonics regarding each and every chapters, and the things which are studied in the 6 days, right? I'll be giving a gist about all the things that will be published, or that will be done on Sunday night, so that the entire thing will be furnished. So you have studied something and you have attended some question papers, you noted all the mistakes. Now I'm just clarifying all your mistakes with some mnemonics, and I'll personally tell what the students will generally do mistakes in that regarding chapters. For that 6 days, right? At least you'll finish 4 chapters. I'll tell you all the things regarding the 4 chapters in biology, and for physics and chemistry I'll give you the solutions through the group, right? This is highly useful, so that you'll be in touch with all the students as well as with me, so that I can track you till your NEET exam. So this is all I can do for your success. And finally, the special announcement, right? It's very simple. Since it's a 50th video, I just thank to all the subscribers as well as the students who keeps on supporting me. And thanks is actually not enough, right? So I'm just giving all the things free for you, which means the question papers or the things, the mnemonics, and the weekly discussion, which I'm going to done along with the Unacademy app. So it is entirely free for all the students, and you can use the code of Hari, Hari, so that you can easily enroll in the classes, right? It's utterly free. So that 1 hour will be free of sessions. So it's a special gift for all the special subscribers as well as the students who keeps on supporting me, and it's my pleasure to give this, right? Thank you. And actually the group is ready, so if at all you missed the opportunity, again I'm just putting the link below in the description. You just do the things and you'll be entering into the group soon, so that I'll be posting the schedule on a regular basis. The first important thing is you should strictly follow the rules, right? Second, you should have some belief. Third, you'll become a doctor. Simple rules, right? So I'm just waiting for all of the students to enter into my group. Thank you.